Welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on a very cute little blue quilt here. Perfect size for a youngster, or even just to cuddle on the couch, or even just for lap size. I really like the way this pattern was laid out. When I was first base stitching it and then started with the stitch out that she asked for in this red color, isn't it gorgeous? I was like, this would be a fantastic scrap buster, because you got some really easy pieces that I'm sure you can get within your stash. You got some couple of narrow bits here on between separating the blocks, and then the way you just kind of alternate, you're getting like the small sash into the middle of the block here. It looks really, really nice, and I think it would be a fantastic scrap buster. I don't know what the name of the pattern is, but if we do happen to find out before the release of this video, I will be sure to make sure it's in the comments or the show more underneath, okay? So let's just continue out with the stitch out she asked for, which is Summer Buzz, which is a beautiful dragonfly, some leaves, a flower, a butterfly, and a bumblebee. And it's a popular one here. I suggest it a lot for a lot of just basic quilts, and especially if you just want it to sort of shine and add a little extra with the stitch out. So it's got these adorable little bunnies with their little tails. So cute. So cute. Just doing a leaf there. It's going to come up and do a beautiful butterfly. Sometimes when we have this stitch out on some quilts, you can't really see it. This one you can really see it on. So I think it's going to be beautiful. We also have another one of the same stitch out. It's going to go on a pink quilt. So be sure to watch this video right to the end, because you'll see that one as well. But this will be a 2-for-1 today. You get a pink and a blue. It's really pretty, and it's such a fun stitch out. It's got some lovely butterflies sideways in front, and then you got the beautiful, beautiful dragonfly, and then the beautiful flowers. And it won't take too long to stitch out. It's about 38 inches this way, and what was it this way? 51. That's a great size. That's a great size. You can make that use some scraps and make it for somebody who maybe hangs out in an arena watching their, kids play hockey, or, daughters skating, or, what have you. I think it'd be definitely a nice little scrap buster. Doing it in Christmas colors and giving those away as gifts would be really nice, because you could certainly use it as a table topper, put the plastic over top, and use that as like a nice little centerpiece for Christmas. Hey, so many ideas. So many ideas. Like I said, it's a really good size, and I really like the way the fabrics are, because you can really showcase a few fabrics at the same time, like these blues that really sparkle in the sky. So very nice. Beautiful fabric. Now these that you're going to see here today are both Mary S. Sequeira, I believe is how you say her last name. And she's making them to sell. So if I can get any information for you guys, if you're interested in either one of these quilts that you see here today, be sure to send me a message, and I'll let her know. Okay. I love that bumblebee. Such a big, beautiful bumblebee. And of course, we did a big, beautiful bumblebee on our 12-hour on the weekend. That was so much fun. Munchkin and I working together. That was good memories there. Sorry, got a little choked up. A couple leaves, and it's going to go into a flower, and then another butterfly. So we'll stop it after that butterfly, so you can see all the stitch outs happen, and we'll make sure we get the dragonfly when we're doing the pink set. Okay. Sorry, eyes are leaking now. Like this. Some beautiful, beautiful blue thread. I think it's cobalt. I think it's cobalt blue. I kind of picked it because of one of the darker colors over here. I just thought it would be nice to be able to pop it all up, pop all that color up together. All right, here's that second butterfly. It's a smaller one, but I like the way it is because you can see both wings that they're all spread out. Okay, all right, we'll see you in just a moment when we get the pink one loaded and start working on that one. And you can see the same beautiful stitch out happen on a really cute and adorable pink quilt. All right, we'll see you soon. And we're back, and I'm just going to hit where we finished off on the blue quilt, where we are on the pink quilt, okay? So just resume, making that little butterfly, and then it's going to do a little leaf, and then go into doing a dragonfly. Now this is how this one turned out. Very beautiful. It looks amazing. It's got lovely quilting texture with the thread on the back. It looks absolutely beautiful, and yeah, I really like that. That's one of my favorite stitch outs, I have to say. Just so naturey, right? Anybody who loves nature. Oh, this is cute too. I like the little safety pin fabric in here. That is, to me, is just the absolute cutest. Just the cutiest. There, now starting to do the dragonfly. There we go. Beautiful, nice wing. Now you may notice that the stitch out is a little bit smaller. It's because the quilt is a different size. So there was 2 rows of stitch outs on that one. There's 3 rows of stitch outs on this one. Because of the size of it being the widthwise, 2 patterns could get there and look nice, but one looked really stretched and 3 was way too busy. So it was really micro tiny at that point. So you gotta fit it to your project. And I think this one turns out really nice. Very, very nice. It's not overly densely quilted at all. I'd say it's about on the medium scale. Beautiful. Flowers for flowers. There we go. Absolutely gorgeous. And I like the pink thread that she chose for this one. It really makes everything pop on it. And it's got the cutest little polka dotted pink flannel backing. All her backs are flannel. I find flannel more cozier and cuddlier. So I do have a tendency to try and do some of my quilts, and for me, with a flannel back. Oh, nice. So pretty. And then I'll stick another one in, and then there's another one just enough to fit all the way. So this is about 40 by 40 little baby quilt, or a small quilt. Don't necessarily want to call it baby quilt because it would be lovely just to hang out on, you know, baby changing table, or you know, this where the baby naps on, or something like that, or even just something, you know, celebrate the baby. Super cute. Love the little pinwheel here in the center. That just, it looks so adorable. And you can tell the block is fairly simple. Just one of these has a little, you know, dog hair, or what do you call it? I don't know, just a little Hasper triangle corner. It says a lot as it spins around, so I really like it. It looks really pretty. Well done. Got some major weather happening right now. Should be interesting. Can do a bumblebee. There we go. Super cute bee. Well, it's got a flower and a bumblebee left to go for this row. And then we got 2 more rows to go. So thank you everybody for watching, liking, and subscribing. We greatly appreciate you here at the Mama Pop Quilt Shop. Thank you again if you joined us on the weekend for our 12-hour. It was on Saturday. We had a fabulous time. Pop was making some snacks in the kitchen, and Munchkin and I were making a stuffed bee, and we just had a really fun time hanging out with you guys, and we really, really appreciate your company, and we appreciate the time that you give to us. It is very generous of you. So thank you. Big hugs to you. We'll see you real soon, and have yourself a fabulous day, okay? Enjoy. Take care. Bye-bye.